Hey guys, here it's Chris. I thought I'd do another quick video today on my car again. Just that I added these extra lights in the trunk probably a while back. Crap. Let's just close that so I can show you. Seamless. So as soon as I open it, bam, they all come on. They are all wired to the stock light, which is the really bright one in the middle there. I put an LED bulb in there. Then basically I added 4 little penny lights. One there, one there, one there. And basically where these red ones are, I wasn't able to pop them out today, but there's a nice little hole here. You just have to flare it out a little bit with a pair of pliers and they'll just plug right in there with the grommet. Yeah, basically I wired them all to, oh, come on, there we go. This little, wow, my camera work sucks. These 2 wires. So it's basically all 2 wires, so it's super easy to do. Takes about 20 minutes. And you'll notice I took out my XM and OnStar boxes. I wasn't paying for their services, so I thought, might as well get rid of them and add a little trunk space. Alright, there we go. So yeah, you can see it does use a fair bit of extra light, which is nice, and actually looks pretty, it's helped out a bit. Yeah, I hope you guys like this little video. I'm trying to do a little bit more lately. So if you like what you see, like and subscribe.